You can use your Thermomix to make laundry detergent. I absolutely love the results. So the ingredients include 1 bar of Fels naphtha chopped up, 1 cup of washing soda, 1 cup of baking soda, 1/2 cup of borax. I'm actually doubling the recipe here, so you're seeing me add 2 cups of everything, and I already had 1 bar of Fels naphtha in my Thermomix, all chopped up. So the results with a Thermomix are so much better than using a cheese grater or a food processor, which is what I've been using for the last year. So you set your Thermomix to 10 seconds, and I went ahead and started with my blade speed at just 9 actually to get started the first time around. And the results that I produced initially with the first round included a grain of Fels naphtha that was about what I've been using for the last year, which you will see here in just a second. I love making my own laundry soap because I know exactly what is in it. And I'm reducing my use of plastic by not buying anything in plastic packaging, which I am really working hard on reducing as much plastic as I can in my own personal shopping endeavors. So after the first 10 seconds, take a look at the Fels naphtha. It's actually broken up into pretty small pieces. And like I said, this is what my laundry soap has been looking like for the last year. Pretty good, actually. For 10 seconds, so much faster than anything else I've used. But I really wanted to see if I could make it a little bit finer. So I went ahead and I did another 10 seconds, and this time I increased the blade speed to 9.5, which worked really well. You'll see here in just a second that the pieces of soap are actually broken up quite a bit smaller. I really like the smell of the Fels naphtha. I think it smells fresh and clean, but you can add your own essential oils and personalize the scent of your laundry soap to honestly anything that you can think of. So take a look here. The pieces of soap are definitely broken down a little bit more. And they look really pretty small. You're going to get a lot of that Fels naphtha with every tablespoon or 2 that you add to your laundry. But again, I was going for as fine a piece of salt as I could, so I went ahead and did it one more time. A fine piece of soap. So this time I did 10 seconds on a blade speed of 10. So when you're going to add your own essential oils to this mix, you're going to want about 40 drops total of essential oils per batch. So in a double batch, that would be about 80 drops of essential oils. So as you can imagine, it can get a little bit spendy depending on which essential oils you decide to use. Nice combinations and things that I have used in the past are things like patchouli and cedarwood, ylang ylang, lavender, tea tree oil, eucalyptus, lemon. Those are great things to add to your laundry soap, and they do help your clothes to smell nice and fresh when they come out of the dryer. In order to reduce my use of plastic, I went ahead and purchased a glass container with a simple lid. I got mine at Target for a whole $5, and it has worked great. I also have a scoop, which I have measured out about 2 tablespoons, and I just put a black line around the scoop. That is plastic, so I'm not completely able to eliminate plastic, but I do have a little scoop that I keep in there, and so it just makes measuring out my laundry detergent a lot easier. When I use my laundry detergent, I go ahead and just put it on the bottom of my high-efficiency machine, and I don't have any problems with it not dissolving in my laundry. And there you go. Perfect laundry detergent. I hope you enjoy using your Thermomix for more than just food. Voila.